what if you want to shade between two circles? That does get a little bit more complicated. What you need to do is express both of the equations explicitly in the form y equals. So for example, if I solve this equation for y, I would get y squared equals 4 minus x squared. Okay, so now I can take the square root, right? If I take the square root of this, okay, that will draw me half the circle. How do I get the other half the circle? Just copy that and stick a negative sign in front. Okay. So that actually draws me both halves of the circle. I don't need this anymore. Now I have to do that with this other one. So if I solve this for y, I get y equals square root of the 2 minus the x squared. So exponent 1/2 is the square root. Okay, and that gives me that top half. Now to get the bottom half, I stick a negative sign in front. And now I can use these explicit equations to shade in between and do my low less than y less than high. So here's my low. I go less than y less than a high one. And it will just shade in between those two circles, and then you would do it on this side. You'll notice that there's a gap here. So then what you have to do is rearrange for x instead of rearranging for y, and do right less than x less, or left less than x less than right. So you're gonna have to do the circle in 4 chunks if you would like to shade between two circles.